Have you ever wanted to buy a house? What do you think? Is it a question worth asking? How about, should I buy a house? Or can I afford to buy a house? If you're questioning yourself, then you should definitely watch this video because it talks about Full House creator Jeff Franklin sells Miami's San Marco Island for $26.5 million. Of course, it's not too late yet to purchase your own beautiful house and make your dream come true. There's a lot of questions that our friend is likely wondering. Buying a house can be a very exciting and daunting process. We want to make sure that you have all the information you need to make an informed decision. We can help you find the perfect house for your needs and budget. We also have years of experience in the real estate industry, so we can provide you with sound advice. Luckily for you, TTP member, this is a video that discusses the celebrity and his home. We have created a video that will show you some of the features of the homes we have found. In addition, we will provide you with an answer to any questions you may have. So if you're looking to buy a home, please watch our video and let us know if there's anything we can do to help. Our team of experts knows the ins and outs of the housing market and can guide you to the best option for your needs. We can provide you with a variety of information and resources so that you can make an informed decision. But before diving in, let's first know who Jeff Franklin is. As a writer and producer for Laverne and Shirley and Boston Buddies, Franklin started his career in television. Franklin proposed his own program to ABC called House of Comics. Franklin added kids to the premise because ABC was looking for a family sitcom, and the result was the show Full House, which aired on the ABC network from 1987 to 1995. Franklin developed the comedy series Hangin' with Mr. Cooper while working on Full House, which starred Mark Curry. Franklin left Full House in September 1992 to work on Hanging with Mr. Cooper. His other television credits include writing and producing for programs like Malcolm and Eddie and It's Gary Shandling's Show. In addition, he wrote, produced, and directed To Grandmother's House We Go, the debut film starring the Olsen twins. In 1991, Jeff Franklin signed a contract with Lorimar. However, the agreement was canceled in 1993 so that Franklin could start working independently as a producer. He had a contract with Columbia TriStar Television that was inked in 1997. Among Franklin's most well-known film writing credits are the Mark Harmon starring teen comedies Just One of the Guys in 1985 and Summer School in 1987. 13 episodes of Fuller House, the Full House prequel, would be added to Netflix's streaming library, the company said in April 2015. Franklin, Thomas L. Miller, Robert L. Boyett, and Netflix all announced that they will be in charge of the production. On February 26, 2016, the initial season's 13 episode debuted. Due to competition and a failure to significantly increase its audience, the show was canceled on June 2, 2020 during its 5th season. Moving on, Jeff Franklin, creator Full House, has listed a waterfront lot in Miami's Venetian Islands that is the last of its kind. On the $26.5 million property, the TV producer and architect Kobe Karp have designed plans for a large residence with drop-dead downtown vistas, according to Mr. Franklin. Creator of the hit television series Full House, Jeff Franklin plans to market a double lot on Florida's San Marco Island, one of the Venetian islands in Biscayne Bay in Miami Beach, for $26.5 million today, according to Mansion Global. According to marketing materials from listing agents Eloy Carminate and Mike Dutchin of Corcoran, the property is over half an acre in size and is over 27,000 square feet. It also offers 208 feet of immediate water frontage on the bay and magnificent skyline views. In his words to Mansion Global, it speaks for itself. That size parcel with unhindered views to the southwest is the only one still available on the Venetian Islands. There are no more like it. The permitting process should be finished by the end of the year, according to Mr. Franklin, who has worked with Miami-based architect Kobe Karp to create plans for a 16,000 square foot house on the lot. For the building of a new dock, a permit procedure is also ongoing. The views of the city's skyline are breathtaking, according to Mr. Franklin. There is a finite amount of undeveloped ground available here, so this is an excellent chance for someone who wants to modify our blueprints to their exact specifications and create something unique. All the bells and whistles are included in the existing plans, he noted. It has a wellness facility that is separate from the hotel, a gym, a massage area, and a cinema with a snack bar. Anyone who wants to experience the Miami way of life would likely love it, in my opinion. Records show that Mr. Franklin spent $35.5 million last year, buying a total of 4 contiguous parcels on the island. Of the 4 plots he first bought, the double plot up for sale represents 2, according to Mr. Carminate. Mr. Carminate stated that the land had been divided into 4 portions and that now we are selling part of it. On the other 2 lots, he is constructing a mega mansion for himself. I've seen the drawings and it is extremely impressive. The adjacent property to the one that Mr. Franklin was selling is actually mine, he said. As a result, the purchaser becomes my neighbor. Mr. Franklin, a producer, screenwriter, and director best known for creating the television series Full House and Fuller House, is experienced in handling high-value real estate transactions and building ventures. At the Los Angeles address that was the location of the now-demolished home where the Manson family murdered a group of people in 1969, including actress Sharon Tate, he advertised a $85 million Beverly Hills estate in January of this year. The estate was designed by architect Richard Landry. The listing agents of this sale are Eloy Carminate and Mike Dutchin of Corcoran. Eloy is unmatched in her understanding of the high-end market. His revenues usually top $120 million annually, and he has been listed among the WSJ Top 100 for 6 years running. Eloy has a rare combination of passion and pioneering spirit, which has made him a priceless asset for both buyers and sellers. Eloy Carminate, a Miami native, has seen his real estate profession grow at a rate equal to that of his hometown. Beginning in property management, he soon found himself at the epicenter of a luxury real estate boom and has since emerged as a key player in the development of a Miami beach. He established his own world record-breaking brokerage in the midst of South Beach's condos after becoming the exclusive sales agent for 1,500 Ocean Drive and Il Villago. He is naturally entrepreneurial. He then rose through the ranks to become Senior Vice President of One South Beach Ocean Drive, Executive Director at Douglas Elliman, and is currently a proud member of the Corcoran Group. Mike Dutchin is ideally suited for his work because of his persistence and commitment to his customers. One of the most reputable and well-respected names in real estate, he is a brilliant communicator and has dedicated himself to establishing new and enduring partnerships throughout the years. He has worked on a number of well-known properties, including Glass, Louver House, and 87 Park, and is well known for routinely breaking records. When he's not adding to the $700 million or more in transaction he has already completed, Mike uses his special blend of technical and people talents to look for new trends, markets, and business prospects for his clients. Moving forward, let me review again the details of the house for you to keep in mind. A contemporary residence created by Miami architect Kobe Karp is included in the sales allowed plans. In the present, Carminate claims that it is nearly hard to find a property in San Marco Island with that view and a location that is 208 feet on the water. Miami's downtown and South Beach are easily accessible across the island's causeway. Furthermore, Carmenate notes that despite being close to Miami's activity, the area has that getaway sense. With a length of more than 200 feet on Biscayne Bay, the double lot is 0.62 acres in size. A causeway that is popular with cyclists and runners connects the group of 6 little islands. Franklin is currently managing a large amount of pricey real estate. Additionally, he shockingly listed his Beverly Hills, California mansion at the start of the year for $85 million. The 21,000 square foot mansion known as Shallow State features 9 bedrooms and 18 bathrooms. The 3.6 acre property's grounds include a detached guest house, a pool with waterfalls, and space for 35 vehicles. In April, the cost was decreased to just under $17 million. It was available to rent for $250,000 per month in June. The property has a horrific past. In 1969, the Manson family members who murdered actress Sharon Tate and other people did so there. The house where the killings took place was demolished. Franklin replaced it with the current luxurious residence, which was designed by renowned architect Richard Landry. If you want to invest in this house, now is the time to do it. The market is still strong, and there are many houses available for sale. You can find your dream home by looking online or calling a real estate agent. If you are interested in purchasing a property, make sure to get pre-approved by your lender. This will help you determine how much money you need to invest and avoid any delays in the process. The market is still stable and prices are still low. You can also invest it in a property that's in a good location. If you're not sure what you want, you can hire a real estate agent to help you find the perfect home. Buying a home is an important decision that you'll never regret. We understand that and want to help you make the best decision for your needs. That is why we offer our services as a home buying advisor. We can provide you with information on different types of homes and help you find the right one for you. We can also help you negotiate prices and terms and connect you with local professionals who can help with the entire process. So if you are interested in buying a home, we are here to help. We hope that our video has helped you find a home. We have spent a lot of time and effort creating it, and we want you to be able to find the perfect one. We would also love to hear your feedback, so please leave a comment below or on the video. We want to make sure that you have the best experience possible when looking for a new place to live, and we will continue to offer quality videos in the future. And that's it for this video, TTP member. Remember to subscribe to our channel, and if you feel like we have delivered value, please share this video with one person. That's right, just one person, as a token of your appreciation for the hard work you put into making content that educates and helps you on your mission of building your own fortune. Remember, you can watch video after video, but it isn't until you actually take action that you'll start to see results. See you soon.